Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm sorry that my appearance is not the greatest because it is late at night and I'm just trying to get this video up. So today we have the Trendsend box. This box charges your card $1 and then it sends you 3 outfits. I think it's actually from a boutique, and then they just kind of have a subscription box. And so you get to open it up and see what 3 outfits that they picked out for you. I've never done this before, so this is my first box from them, so I'm really excited, and I hope that they sent some really awesome pieces. So we have this card here. This just says, I guess their referral system, you get 20% off your next order if you have a friend who signs up. So I'll definitely leave my link below if you are interested. Okay, so they do have a note for me, and it says, "Hi Samantha. Welcome to Trendsend. Everything in your box can be mixed and matched. Having used your profile information, I chose stylish, casual, yet versatile pieces for the upcoming season. Don't forget to leave your feedback so we can make your next box even greater. Have fun trying on." So then it tells me my 2 outfits. I guess they only did 2 outfits. I thought they usually did 3, but I guess it's just 2. And my stylist was Tammy. So we'll go ahead and get on to outfit 1. So this is actually my first bundle. It has a lot of patterns and colors in it, so we'll just have to see what everything looks like. Okay. Oh, I do like this. So the first top is this really nice mustard striped long sleeve tee. It's like a thinner material, and we'll see what this is called and the cost. So this is the Becky multi-stripe top, and it's $58. It's in a size small. I don't think I would ever pay $58 for this shirt. I think maybe like 15 or 20 bucks. It doesn't seem like $58, but we'll just have to see when we try it on. So the next item in my box is this top. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. It's like a forest green with these tan and yellow flowers, and the sleeves kind of poof out, and it has a little tie at the top. Not something I would usually gravitate towards, but it could be really cute on. This is the Amara floral blouse in the size small, and this is $78. I didn't realize all their stuff was that pricey, so we'll just have to see how it looks, but my air conditioning just kicked on, so I'm sorry if you hear that. What I was saying was I didn't really know that all their pieces would be this expensive. They kind of feel like Target quality to me, but maybe they last long. I'm not really sure. I didn't really look into this so much. I just used to watch Kristen Reviews on YouTube. I'll link her channel below. She does these videos every month, and I usually like what she gets, so I decided to try it out for myself. So the third item in my first outfit are these really cute jeans. I really like these. They are these dark gray denim. They're from Articles of Society, and they have the frayed hem. They don't have any distressing or anything, just plain denim, which I do really like. I do not have any gray denim in my wardrobe right now. I used to have a pair, but they don't fit me anymore. So I am excited to try these on. These are the Sarah ankle skinny with raw hem, and they are $64 in a size 26. So we'll read about my outfit 1 real quick. My dog's coming by, sorry. My outfit 1, it says, "We love the raw hem detail on these Sarah ankle skinny jeans. Pair with the Amara floral blouse or in booty for date night, or with the Becky multi-striped top for a more casual look." So I'll definitely try on the pants with both shirts, and we'll just see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and go on into the outfit 2, and then we'll go over everything in the box. So this is my second bundle. I am more attracted to this bundle just from the folded and the colors and denim than I was the first one, so hopefully this one is a better hit. Ooh, these are very soft. I really like, oh my gosh, I love these. These are awesome. These are these olive cargo pants with these zipper pocket details, the pockets on the side, and they just have a normal hem, and here's the back. These, I love these. I can already tell you I would wear these a ton. These are super, super soft. These are expensive. These are the Brooklyn Sateen Cargo. They're a size 25 and they're $125. I'm already telling you right now, as awesome as these are, I don't think I would ever spend $125 on pants, but we'll just try them on and see. Next top is just a good basic to have. It's like a thinner sweater material. It's in this ivory color and it has a knot detail on the bottom. And the sleeves seem like pretty normal. They're not flared out or anything. I do like this. It's really soft. This is the twist hem top in a small, and it's $68. This is just a good outfit, or a good top to have for the fall and winter time. And the next thing I really, really love, oh, I love this. I love this wash of denim. It's this really awesome denim jacket, and it has like, I don't know, really kind of is a little bit edgier than the normal denim jacket. It has all these little cuts and patches in it, these rips throughout it. I really, really like this jacket a lot, and it has a raw hem. This is, if I can find the tag, this jacket is the Sneak Peek reworked denim jacket in a size small. It was $98 and it's marked down to $79.99. It's still really pricey, but it does feel like really good quality denim, and I'm sure it would hold up. So we'll go over the notes for my outfit too. It says, these level 99 sateen cargos are awesome. I size you down due to they tend to relax quite a bit. If you need a different size, just let us know. Pair with twist hem top under the distressed denim jacket for a fun, edgy look. So those are my two outfits, and we will go ahead and try it on. But before that, I will go over all the prices. Okay, so I just did the math on my box, and it costs a pretty penny. Altogether, this box costs $472.99. That's insane for 6 pieces, in my opinion. I don't think I would ever pay that much for 6 pieces. Although they are really good and they're good staples, I just don't think I can justify spending that much money. Even that's like way more expensive than what Stitch Fix usually has. So I'm not sure, but we'll just have to see how everything goes on in the try-on. And so we'll just go ahead and go on into that. Okay guys, so I switched to my phone because it's just easier to show you the clothes in the mirror. But this is those gray skinny jeans. They're really cute and really comfortable. They come about mid-rise. And then here is that yellow striped top. It does come a little bit lower. Oh, there's Roscoe. It does come a little bit lower in the back. It's kind of like a dolphin hem. But what I would do is I would just actually tuck it in probably to wear it. This is really cute and comfortable. I just am not sure it's worth the money. So here is that second green top with the same jeans because that's part of the outfit one. I don't really like this top on me. I think it's definitely a mature top. I do kind of like the sleeve detail. I just am not really sure about this whole keyhole tie neck thing. I'll show you what it looks like without it tied. So that's what it looks like open. I think if I wore this, I would also tuck it in just because that's the style that I like. But I like the sleeves on this top the most. So here is the second outfit without the denim jacket. I'll show it with it on in just a minute. But I am loving these green pants. They fit so nicely and they're so comfortable and soft. I just cannot get myself to spend that money. I wish I could spend that much money on these, but these are really cute. I definitely recommend them if you can afford them. And here's the top. I definitely would have to wear a camisole with this or a bralette. I do have on a blue bra that is a little bit noticeable, but this shirt is really cute and comfortable. And it's really nice and soft, and I feel like it's a perfect thickness where it wouldn't get too hot if you had to wear it out. But now I will show you it with the denim jacket. So here is the outfit with the denim jacket. It's super cute. I really love the wash of this denim with the olive and the ivory, but my only problem with this jacket is this is like pretty oversized. I tend to like my denim jackets to be a little bit more fitted just because denim's such a thick material. I feel like it looks better fitted. So this is like a little bit more oversized, and I prefer my denim jacket, so I think maybe an extra small would be perfect. But it is super cute if you like the oversized feel. It doesn't have real pockets, which is kind of annoying. It just has like the fake ones, but it is really cute, and I really love this outfit that they put together for me. Overall, I'm really impressed with the pieces that they chose for me. The second outfit definitely captured my style. The first outfit was good except for that green shirt. It really wasn't something that I would ever really be interested in, but I did really like the sleeves. And Roscoe's leaving. My favorite pieces were definitely these green cargo pants. These are so cute and they're really comfortable. I just don't think I can justify the $125 price point of these. Although they are nice and I'm sure they're worth it, I don't have that kind of money to spend, unfortunately. And I think that probably my second favorite piece, if they had a smaller size, I would definitely say that this denim jacket is like one of my favorite pieces of the box, but it just fit a little bit oversized than what I would usually like my denim jackets to fit. But it is really, really cute, and I love the wash of denim, and I just like the patches and like the sewing. It's a little bit different than a normal denim jacket, and it would be paired with so many cute things. I also really liked these gray pants that they picked. They're a little bit more low-rise than what I prefer because I usually like really high-rise, but I did like the mid-rise and they were super cute and comfortable, but still the price point's still a little high for me. And I also really liked this mustard striped shirt. It's just way too expensive for the price point, or for the basic tee that it is. Like $50 is really steep. So the two pieces that I'm like, about are this sweater. It's really cute, but it's just so basic that I could find anywhere. There's nothing really special about it, but it is really comfortable. And then this green top I just wasn't crazy for. So right now, this is my first box. Right now I think I'm probably gonna probably gonna send everything back just because it's a little bit more expensive than what I was expecting. I did say in my profile that I would take like the cheapest possible in everything, and like I would take sale items. They sent me the one sale item, which was the denim jacket, but that was still 80 bucks on sale. So I think if I do this again, which I probably will, it only costs me $1. So I'll definitely try it again, but I will just leave a note that if there is a possibility to make things just a little bit cheaper of a price point, that I would definitely be interested. Even like 20 bucks cheaper on every item would seem to be a little bit more reasonable to me than spending the prices that they currently have. So maybe I'll just look into it a little bit more and get a little bit more information, because this was just a box that I'd seen a YouTuber that I watched review. Didn't really know about it, so that's probably my fault. You know, I need to research a little bit more. But yeah, I am impressed with the picks that they had. I do like the items. It's just the price point was a little bit high. So if you guys have any suggestions, or tell me what you would like to keep in this box or what you would get rid of, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.